Here's the brutal truth. Your slow queries aren't caused by heavy data. They're caused by these three invisible anti-patterns. One of them might be hiding in your production right now. Begins the main query to retrieve all columns from the target table without filtering at this stage. It sets up the foundational operation for fetching raw order records. Specifies the orders table as the primary source of data, indicating all subsequent filtering and column selection will operate on rows within this table. Introduces a composite filter condition where at least one of two criteria must be true, starting with an IN subquery that links orders to customer status. Selects only the customer underscore ID values from the customer's table where each record's status column equals active, forming an intermediate set of identifiers. Terminates the nested select statement initiated on line 2, allowing its result set to be consumed by the IN operator in the outer where clause. Adds an alternative condition that includes orders created after January 1, 2023 regardless of customer status, combining with the prior IN-based filter via logical OR. Avoiding subquery misuse, unnecessary wildcards, and OR clauses without indexes keeps your queries fast at scale. Subscribe for daily coding videos.